All right, guys, we are really down to the wire here, but check this out. This is our project at 273 Martin, and there is not a lot like this. Like, you're getting so much character in this lot. Like you got to come see this, because through the video it just doesn't show how absolutely amazing this is. We are down to the wire. Showcase open houses this weekend. Honestly, we're trying to make it, but as you can see, we are working hard, and there's going to be some stuff that we're still working on. But come out and see us this weekend, open house, showcase of homes. And I'm just going to take you in and do a real quick tour, show you what we got going on. Come on inside. We'll take a look at this. Yeah, now you can see where we're headed. This is absolutely amazing. We got a little punch list stuff going on there. And got John over there hiding behind the cabinet because he doesn't want to be on camera. There's some carpet going in up in the bonus room, but 14-foot ceilings, beams, decorative beams, windows like crazy. Everybody wants windows. Custom cabinets. This place is amazing, and this weekend and next weekend is the weekend to come see this open house. So I am inviting you officially. If you're listening to this, then you are invited. So come on out and check it out. This is actually one of my favorite things in this kitchen, is how this countertop works its way right into the window, and you can kind of use this as a pass-through window for the back patio. And then we covered this whole wall with hexagon tiles that just turned out absolutely amazing. Let me show you back here. It's good stuff. Master bedroom, love it. Master bathroom, we haven't gotten our glass in yet, so we don't have mirrors in. We don't have our shower glass door in yet, but awesome little walk-in shower, freestanding tub, and then we got our cabinets here for the sink vanities, some extra storage behind the door. Yeah, you didn't even know that was there, but now you do. Toilet room, and we tried to do bigger doors too, intentionally, for this master suite. Master closet, let's see if we got lights in here. Oh yeah. So all kinds of storage, so much storage in here, where you can have your clothing. We got 3-tier racks, and then loads of shelving for your shoes. We also have this hidden, like whenever you are in here, this just looks like a shelf, but it's actually a hidden space. And actually they just put the carpet in today, so it needs adjusted a little bit, but wow, yeah, that's a cool little hidden space that you're not supposed to know about. Here is our laundry room, washer dryer over there. And even in this laundry room, look at this. You have like a broom closet. This is where you can put some brooms, maybe your little hand vacuum, more storage in there, shelves all the way up, which is huge. It's a mess. I don't know why I'm showing you that right now, but it is a huge back porch to enjoy. A little powder bath, clothing cabinet here. Awesome. Anyways, you should really come and check this place out. Oh, I didn't even show you this. Check that out. We have humongous walk-in pantry.